evening, everyone. So, I am Taylorine Belaro from Batch 4. So, yung topic naman po natin today in August 28. Gutom ka na ba? Or righteousness. At ang scripture po natin today ay matatagpuan sa Psalm 145 verse 17. So, dito po ang sabi ng concept ng righteousness. It means God always acts according to what it is right, and He Himself is the ultimate standard of right and wrong. Flowing from His perfect nature, God is holy, just, and true. His righteousness calls individuals to live uprightly, families to walk in His ways, and nations to uphold justice. At the cross, His justice and mercy met. Sin was punished and sinners are declared righteous through faith in Jesus Christ. So, yung righteous po, in easiest way or easiest term na may intindihan natin, ito po yung parang synonym ng perfect. So, ang righteous lang ng madedefine or na mabibigyan natin ng magandang ehemplo dito ay ang ating Panginoon. Kaya na sabi today, it means God always acts according to what is right. So, ang Panginoon Diyos po, gumagalaw siya kung ano lang yung tama at ano ba yung mas makabubuti sa nakararami o sa kanyang mga anak. So, ang Lord po, bago po natin gawin, alam niya na kaagad kung ano yung magiging outcome nito, kung magiging outcome ba ito ay masama or mabuti. Of course, lahat ng anak ng Panginoon ay may conviction in heart. So, meaning to say, whenever we are going to do something that we know that it will lead us to make some kasalanan, syempre, tayo bilang tao, alam na natin kaagad kung itong bagay na pipiliin natin ay makakagawa pa ng something na ikasasama ng loob ng Panginoon sa atin. So, kaya nga lagi ko siya sabi sa devotion ko na we should always be mindful, we should always be cautious sa lahat ng mga kinikilos natin dahil ang Panginoong Diyos ay nakikita tayo 24/7 at lahat ng bagay na naiisip, ginagawa, sadya man o hindi sadya, ay nakikita ng Panginoong Diyos. Kaya huwag natin gawin yung mga bagay na alam natin tayo rin naman yung mahihirapan. So that's all, everyone. Thank you so much for listening and have a great day ahead for tomorrow and God bless po. See you on Sunday.